Ano ba ang nagiging concern natin?
Dito yung right shoulder ko before
Okay.
na injury na time. So hindi ko siya may galaw before.
Na-dislocate ba ito? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Talagang ang according din sa nag-therapy sa akin, parang may naipit na
Tendons?
Tendons.
Okay. And then?
Lower back.
Lower back?
So yan. Laging alay, yung leeg, laging alay din.
Hello, Rock Nation! I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Andito tayo sa clinic at kasama natin si
Mickey.
Mickey. Ayan. Mouse ba ito?
Yes.
Mickey Mouse. Okay. Si Sir Mickey ay ilan taon na?
42.
Ha?
42.
Hindi nga.
Yes.
Hindi halata ah. You look young. Kala ko kasing edad ko lang eh. Mas bata ka pa tignan ka sa akin kasi pagod tayo, okay? Pero, taga saan si Sir Mickey?
Baguio.
Uy, Baguio. Tayo ay magkakaroon ng physical examination later on. But, ano ba ang nagiging concern natin? Marami. Okay, so sobrang sipag, ano? Sige, tignan natin.
Yung dito yung right shoulder ko before na
Okay.
injury na time. So hindi ko siya may galaw before.
Na-dislocate ba ito? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Talagang ang according din sa nag-therapy sa akin, parang may naipit na
Tendons?
Tendons,
Okay.
yung tendons sa rotator cuff.
Okay,
So,
so
talagang hindi ko siya may galaw. So binigyan niya lang ako
ng tendonitis before. Ayan. And
Ayan,
then,
lower back.
lower back.
So yan. Laging alay, yung leeg, laging alay din. Yan,
Okay.
ito.
More on physical lang
Work, yes.
Okay. Grabe.
Very physical.
Actually, kahit ano namang trabaho, wala namang madali.
Yes.
Lalo na yung mga physical na trabaho, yung mga seaman natin dyan, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa abroad. Saludo kami lahat sa inyo dahil nakakataba rin ng puso dahil nagpupunta kayo sa akin ng sobrang layo ninyo at bumibisita talaga kayo. Thank you so much for trusting. Okay? So, physical examination. Ready ka na?
Ready na.
Yun. Posture up like this. Yan. 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 Okay. Good. Ayan. Kamusta ito?
Ano sa lower back.
Uncomfortable. Okay. Tingin sa left. Yan. Tingnan natin kung nasaan yung pinaka-normal motion. Sige daw. Try mo daw isagad. Good. Almost. Try. Sige pa. Okay. Saan banda nararamdaman? More on? Sa batok or sa shoulders? Okay. Sige, kabila. Okay. Good. Mas okay to. Go. Try. Sige pa. Okay. Medyo masikip.
Masikip yung dito.
Pilit na pilit. Okay, sige. Tingala. Up. Okay. Almost. 45 degrees extension. Let's see. Yan. O, kamusta?
Masakit sa
Where?
bandang likod to.
Okay, so nagkakaroon na ng connection dyan. This is what we call a unstable support ng muscles. Okay? Kaya nagkakaroon na ng imbalances with your spine. Yuko. Yan. Up lang ng konti. Yun, I'll push you down. How's this?
Masakit ko sa
Where?
dito.
Same.
Sa dito.
I see. Sige, tignan natin yung shoulders. Going up, side, up. Dikit sa tenga. Okay, o try. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Sakit siya pala.
Same. Try nating ilagpas sa tenga. Like this. Yan. Kamusta yan? Mas intense yung feeling. Mas kanan.
Ipit na ipit dito.
Down. Okay. Sit down. Down na. Yan. Taga natin ito. Ready? Going. Ikot. Oh, medyo kapos. Let's see, ha? This one.
Masakit sa back.
Oh, yeah. Kamusta yun? Masakit. Kabila.
Ipit na ipit.
Yan. So, tight ng husto talaga. This one. Okay. Yun.
Masakit sa ano.
Okay. So, this is a indication no na ayos pa naman yung ating disc. Okay? Which case na dadala pa natin dun sa pinaka-normal range of motion. But, problem is, yung muscles, lateral muscles mostly, from the rhomboid, okay, hanggang dun, sobrang sikip. Okay? Kamusta yung activities natin? Stretching and exercise.
Okay naman.
Wala. Walang oras. Pero, wala na. Oh. Naiipon na.
Busy.
Sige, stand up.
Before yan.
Sige, stand up tayo. Try natin daw. This one. Yan. Ready? Going back bend. Kung hanggang saan.
Okay na yan.
Ayan na yun. Okay, up. Kamusta?
Sakit dito.
Masakit. Okay? Gano'ng kasakit from 1 to 10? 10 yung
Yun naman
highest.
sa sobrang sakit, mga 6 pa.
6. Okay,
6
so tayo. Ayan. Balik tayo pwesto. O ngayon, try to reach your toes. Okay. Almost.
Ayan.
Okay, saan masakit?
Ito pa.
Yeah.
Saka dito. Yan.
Okay, sige. Ngayon, kahit di abutin, try. Sige, I'll check manually. Down ng konti. Yun. Here. Here.
Sakit.
So, medyo mataas yung vertebrae ng ating lumbar 4 sa ating right side. When I press this one, kamusta?
Sakit.
Sobrang
Sobrang sakit.
Aha. Sige, tingnan natin. Okay, so from here then, ito naman. How's this?
Sakit lang.
Sakit. Sakto lang. Okay.
Hindi ganun masakit. Hindi tayo sa baba.
Up ng konti. Yep. At least, very good. Wala namang scoliosis or development. But multiple misalignments and compression ang meron. Okay? Sige, up. You know, relax ito. Yan, that's it. Okay, so from here, this one. How's this?
Masakit.
See? Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, but ito, this one. Here and here. Ayan, so this one ay punta natin sa kanan. This one ay punta natin sa left. Okay? Para maging balance ulit at hindi na magkaroon ng pain sa iyong muscles. Okay, yakap sa sarili. Relax ang shoulder. Yuko ang ulo. Loosen up your katawan. We have to open your ribs. Yan, and your vertebrae. Yan, yuko ang ulo. Front. Yan. Ngayon, I'll hold and twist a bit. Yan. Now, hold ko ito. Mas lower. This one. Lock your legs now. Yan, right there. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Nice. Wow. Okay. Hold it. Yuko pa. Yun. That's it. Here. Ready? Lock your legs. Hinga. Exhale. Nice. Wow.
Nakakaluwag.
Aha.
Parang lumuluwag na yung likod ko.
Kamusta? Nice lang?
Ayos lang.
Ligaments. This one. Yan. Yuko, ulo. Yan. Okay. Hawak ako sa batok. Yan. Hawak sa kamay ko. Yan. Ibaba ang siko. Yup. Ipit. Yan. That's good. Wow. Woo. Dami. Kamusta? Yan. That's your, most of your cervical spine. Okay. So, you have to understand that every patient's concern, okay, ay different approaches and techniques ang ginagawa natin. So, kung ano yung nagiging concern niya. So, nakadepende. So, lahat ng yon ay nakaspecify yung technique na gagawin natin sa kung ano yung na-detect natin yung problema sa kanya. Okay? So, ngayon, taas mo ito. Taas pa. Mabigat na ingalay.
Saka sa dito.
Okay. Kabila. Going up. Yung. Kamusta ito?
Yan din.
Bigat din.
Bigat.
Okay. O baba yung kamay. Yan. Hold this one. Ngayon, ako yung magbubuhat. Okay? Kasi i-release natin ito. You have to press this one. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. That's good. Again. Hinga. Loosen up. Yan. Again. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. Good. Okay. Nice. Okay. Very tight. Okay? So what we're going to do now is an advanced technique. Ganito. Okay? Ngayon, hawak sa bed. Dalawang kamay. Tapos isa. Okay? This time, sabay. Dalawa. Okay? Ang gagawin natin pag nasa taas na, ay push outside. Yan. Pigilan mo ako. Yan. Squeeze mo yan inside. Okay? Tapos, pupush kita outside. Alright? Sige. Ready? Going up. Sige, tutulungan kita. Diretso yung tuhod. Ngayon, pigilan mo ako. Pigil. Up. Wait lang. Yan. Sige, go. Ready? Okay. Gusto mo siya naman?
Dito.
Upper side. Yes. That's what we want, to release it. Para magkaroon ng space in between. Kasi very compressed yung S1, L5, and L4. Okay? Yeah. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Yeah. Hinga again. Loosen up down. Yun. Hinga. Exhale. Yan. Huwag magtira ng hangin sa tiyan. Going up and down. That's good. Nice. Down, down, down. Exhale. That's good. Okay, clear. Last two. Down. Last one. Down. Okay, this is good. See? Next. Ito tayo. Yeah, right there. Good. Hinga malalim. Exhale. That's nice. Oh. Wow. Kaya? Next. Here. Ready. Hinga. Exhale. That's good. This is tight. Upper side. Ready again. Hinga. Down, down, down. That's good. Let go. Oh, now. Dito na tayo. Baba na yung kamay. Since sabi ko ito, nandito sa right. Left. Dali natin sa right. Yeah, right there. Okay, loosen up your shoulders. Yeah, pwesto ko lang ng maayos. That's nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, right there. That's it. Here. Ready? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bago tayo umupo. Taas mo ulit to. Wow.
Medyo
Mas lighter.
light.
Mas tumaas na rin ito, kabila. Oh, this is way better. Kamusta? Good? Nice. Hindi na sobrang sikip at mabigat. Tayo. Yan, right here. Ready. Hinga malalim. Exhale. That's good. Oh, see, that's one specific. Next, sa ating sacroiliac joint here. Ready again. Hinga. Exhale. Okay. Way better. Kabila. Shoulder, right there. Right here. Okay. So, yeah, that's it. Yep. Here. Hinga. Exhale. That's good, that's good, that's good. Okay. Very stiff. Let's see. Hinga. Exhale. Down. Oh, that's good naman. That's good. Metacarpal. Nice. That's good. Yeah, lower. Nice one. Nice one. Pulling. Loosen up. That's good. Elbow. Yeah, sabay pa daw. Yeah. Clear. Clear. Nice. Upper tendon. Loosen up. Yeah. Lower. That's clear. Okay. Good. Wait.
laging alay.
Mhm. That's good. Metacarpal. Clear. Okay, it's good. This is very loose. Kaysa sa kabila. Clear. Elbow. What happened sa elbow mo dati? Wala naman. Okay, upper tendon. That's clear. Okay. So, out. Okay, clear. Go. or metatarsals here. Turning in. That's good. Wow. Lower. Middle. Next, navicular bone. Here. This is clear. Next, with your talus, up. Yeah. Hold this one.
Oh.
Woo. Nice. Okay, next sa cuboid. Yeah. Ready? This is good. Next with your heel. Same. Pulling and twist in. Again. Twist inside. Okay. Nice. That's good. Next sa tuhod. Next with your cuboid. Ito naman sa harapan. Yeah, now hold it. Yeah. Pulling and pushing. That's good. Nice. Next, with your heel, o kasama dyan sa iyong inner hip, we have to twist inside. Pulling and twist inside. Again. That's nice. Nice. That's good. Naramdaman mo dyan? Yeah. Sige, kabila. Ready? Loosen up. Yeah, that's good. Wow. Lower. Nice. Middle. This is great. Navicular bone. This is good. Next with your talus. Yeah. Yeah. Hold that one. That's good. Wow. Yan, nagiging tension kapag yung upper weight natin ay laging bumibigat. Kung gagawin natin, wait. Halit, wala. Mas open natin ito. Yan. Yun ang right down there. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Kamusta yun? Here. Twist outside. Pushing down. Nice. A little. Next, reduction again with your most of your ligament support at dito na yan. Okay? At saka doon. Ready? Lubay-bay daw. Good. Nice. Pulling for checking. Okay. A bit. Apabasta ko ng maayos. This one, side, left. Hinga again. Exhale. Loosen up your shoulders, bouncing. Nice. Hinga again. Exhale. Loosen up your shoulders. Nice. Wow. Wow. Hinga. Whew. Dami. biglang nahiwala yung kaluluwa mo nun. Parang stop seconds. Yeah, ready? Let's see. Okay, yung unang muscle masakit. Kamusta to?
Manageable naman yan.
Okay.
Yung
Ngayon,
una.
yung una, proper movement. Okay? Mula dyan, taas ang kamay.
Sa kanila kaya ilang mo na. Here.
elevator muscle. Kamusta ito? Last one. That's good. Kabila. Ready? Same movement, same procedure. Going. Ikot. Mas lucid oh. No.
Hindi siya masyado.
Masyado. Going up. Ikot. Nice one. Okay, up. Yan. Ikot. That's good. Oh, dalawang lagi siya. Okay, down. Okay. Going. Last one. Alright. Kamusta ka? So far?
Ayos.
Nice lang. Difference ng katawan.
Kuminhawa.
Mas guminhawa. Let's see the difference ano. Initially. Kanina, paglingon natin ay sobrang pilit. Sige, go. Kamusta to?
Okay.
Mas good. Okay? Kabila. Yan. Sige. Down. Yan. Lupay daw. Yan. Sige. May konti pa. Okay? Pero kamusta?
Mas focus siya sa akin.
That's good. Okay.
Meron konting ano na.
Konti pa. So you have to work on it every day. Okay? Magkakaroon ka dapat ng preparation exercises and stretching. Or kahit stretching lang ano. May tuturo ko sa inyo mamaya. Pwede nyo akong videohan on your cellphone para at least meron kayong kopya. Tapos, yun na yung gagawin nyo every morning routine. Tapos, bago matulog as a routine. As a recovery ng katawan bago matulog. Preparation naman ng katawan bago pagkatas gumising. Ganyan. Okay? Bago gumising. No? Tulog ka pa rin eh. Okay, good naman to. Next, shoulders na tayo. So, ito na lang yung after. Nag-subside naman yung feeling. Ready? Going up. Sige, ikot down. Yeah. Mas ramdam mo yan. Ready? Going up. Yeah. Ikot. 1 to 10.
10.
10. Taas na. Sige. Ready. Last one bago tayo maglaban. Ready? Up. Relax mo na yan. Sige po. Ikot. Down. That's nice. This time, engage your muscle close fist. Ganyan. Yeah, tapos labanan mo yung aking pagpindot. Tigasan mo ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Going. 1. Sige, ito. 45 degrees. Yan. Go. Sige, baba. Ready? 4, 5. Again. Kaya. Here. Okay. Side. This one. Hold this one. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 1. Again. Good. Kaya? Okay. So far, kamusta?
Gumaan siya.
Lumaan. Sa kabila tayo. Okay. When I press this one, cervical 1, pain in the
Medyo.
number 2,
Ayan.
number 3,
Yan.
number 4,
So, ano yung 3?
number 5. Wala.
Sakto na.
Kabila. Ready? 1,
Yan. Sabi.
2,
Ano?
3,
Yan talaga nasakto.
4,
Yan, meron ko.
5.
Sakto lang.
Let's see kasi very tight ito. Check natin. Right positioning. Loosen up your shoulders. Both. Right positioning of your cervical 3 and 4. Yeah, I'll guide your spine. Good one. Loosen it. Here. Pushing. Papunta doon. This is tight. See? Wala. Okay, kabila. Very compressed ito. All we need to do later on is more about the traction. Same. Naramdaman mo yan? Sobrang tight. Okay. No need to push hard. Yan. O, kanina. Good. Kumusta to ngayon?
Mas maluwag na siya.
Mas komportable.
Komportable.
Very good. Let's see. Ito tayo. Since dati ay meron kang tendonitis at merong inner side of your critical zone, I think yung nangyari sa'yo before, yung critical zone ng tinatawag natin na supraspinatus muscle. Yan. So, pinaka-inner side of your traps. Yun ang pinaka mas inner side or mas naiipit or nakukompromise palagi pag meron tayong injury na na-occur. Okay? Sige. Ready? I'll push you forward. Pigil. Hindi, hawak lang. Yan. Pupush kita forward. Pipigilan mo ako. Tutulak mo ako. Patalik ko. Ready? Go. Tulak mo ako. That's good. Sige pa. Nice one. Pa. Firm and strong. Nice. Kabila. Ready? Go. Tulak. Nice. Firm strong. Okay? Acromion clavicular joint. Yeah. Loosen up na. Yuko ang ulo. Turning inside. Yan. Okay. Pwesto ng maayos. Pulling up. Oh. This is... Yuko. This is very well na. Okay? Oh. Hindi na masyadong ipit doon. At hindi na sobrang nagkakaroon ng compression. Turning. Wow. That's nice. See? Meron dun. Last. Going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hinga. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's good. Na ba lately? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Very good. Okay. Migraine, wala rin naman.
Wala.
That's good. Okay. At least recovery of your releasing ng ear pressure para maging maayos yung pandinig. And even sinusitis nakakonekta dito. Loosen up. That's good. Kasa. Okay? Mukhang pagod lately or mataas ang stress lately. What happened to this?
Hey, ikaw.
Ikaw, tinanggal mo na.
Tanggal mo.
That's good. Ooh. Sige. Hello again, Rock Nation. And we're done with
Mickey.
Mickey.
Nakalimutan.
Ayan, nakalimutan din. Okay. So, kamusta ang experience ng ating therapy?
Sarap.
Mhm.
Nakakaano.
The difference of your katawan bago tayo magsimula at ngayon. Kamusta?
Mas lumuwag yung mga... Sarap sa pakiramdam.
Nice.
Parang
Let's see.
pinanganak ulit.
Parang pinanganak ulit. Okay, let's see the difference. Okay, posture up. Like this. O, yan. Do it on your own. Kamusta? Comfortable?
Comfortable.
Good. Tingin sa left. Tingin down. Let's see. So, mas further na. See? Tignan mo. That's one. Hindi na pilit? That's good.
Ipit.
Kabila. Yan. Sige, go. Oh, this one is good. See? Kamusta? Hindi na rin pilit.
Meron na lang konting parang ano dito.
Konti.
Dito ba rin yan?
Tingala. Yan. Meron? Wala. Good. Nice. Hindi na connected doon?
Hindi na.
Yan. Sige, down. Yan. Pagka-finish kita, pababa. Kamusta ito? Ayos lang?
Ayos na.
That's nice.
Kanina masakit eh.
Kanina ay tinaas natin ng shoulders. Sobrang sikip. Let's see now. Going. Nice.
Ito maluwag na.
Very light.
Anyway,
Very good.
wala nang ipit.
Wala nang ipit. At di na sobrang sikip. Try mong ilagpas sa tenga. That's good. Mas malayo ang nararating ng motion. That's the maximum. Good. Down. Let's see ito. Kanina ay medyo kapos yung parehas. Go, ikot. Yan. That's good. Mas easy. Kamusta to?
Ayos.
Good, kabila. Nice one. At least. Kaya?
Kaya.
Good. Nice. Stand up. Tignan natin to. Yan. Ready? Back bend. Oh. Kamusta yan?
Awas.
Malayo yun ah. Sige pa.
Okay na. Hindi na siya masakit.
Hindi na sobrang
Hindi na.
masikip. Oh, ngayon, this is the moment of truth. Sige daw. Try to reach your toes.
Wala, di talaga kapit.
Ready?
Di talaga kapit.
Sige, ganito yung technique. Okay, sige, try daw. Oh, this one. Yan. Sige, go. Yan, almost. Ngayon, ang pinaka-technique is this. Oh, hawakan ng hamstring. Yan. Bend. Yan, hawak. Yan. That's one. Okay? Ipit. Yan. Sige, yuko pa. Yun. Tapos ngayon, ipupull mo ito. Pull. Yan. Pull. Sige. Taas ka. Taas. Tayo. Yan. Good. Down. Okay? Again. Going. Yan. That's it. Yan. Sige. Kahit hanggang dito lang. Basta hindi sobrang magdidiretso yung tuhod. Okay. Yan. That's one. Good. Then after, ito. This one. Yan. This time, squeeze your knees as much as you want. At kung ano yung kaya. Basta i-engage mo lahat ng muscles mo. Ipitin mo to. Go. Ipit. Yan. Sige pa. Squeeze mo lahat. And good. Again. Go. Squeeze pa. Yan. Good. 2 and 1. That's good. Relax. Ready? Going. That's good. Kamusta?
Konti na lang.
Almost. So, pwede siyang
Pero
practice.
wala na siyang sakit sa likod.
Kamusta yung lower back?
Wala, dito lang.
That's good.
Dito na
Sa hamstrings na lang. You have to work on it. Paano? Bounce. Yan. Bounce. Hanggang sa kung ano yung kaya. Okay? Bounce lang. Ayos yun. O, pwede rin nakaupo. At least forward. Alright? Para maabot mo siya ulit. O, tignan natin yung spine mo. Forward again. Kahit di abutin. Yan. Sige. Kanina, prines ko yung lumbar 4 and column 3. Oh, see? This is way better. Kasi wala nang nakaumbok dito. Kanina may nakakapa ako nakaumbok, di ba? Sige, ngayon, kamusta to?
Meron pa rin siya pero hindi na katulad
Hindi
kanina.
na katulad kanina. Go. Here.
Okay lang siya.
Same. Good. This one.
Wala.
That's good. So, up ka ng konti at hindi na sobrang nakataas. This one. How's this?
Wala
Kaya,
masakit.
last one. Ito yung masakit kanina. Go.
Wala na.
Nice. See?
Dito na lang sa bandang baba. May
Mas
naiwan
baba
na
pa.
konti.
It's okay. Oh, you can work on it. Move it. Thank you so much again for coming and trusting. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Meron ka
Thank you so
bang gustong batiin, taga Baguio?
Wala naman.
Wala na.
Recommended lang.
Yan.
You must try it.
Thank you so much.
Relaxing. Babata kayo ulit.
Babata kayo
sa
ulit.
pakiramdam. Gumaang yung pakiramdam.
That's good. Ayun ang kailangan ng katawan natin para makapagtrabaho ulit ng maayos. Alright?
Sooner.
Sabihin mo sa katawan mo, welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome
Okay. Picture tayo.